Hello my dear students, welcome back to online chemistry bridge course, and this is the second video class beta. In the last class I have seen about the element representation with atomic number with mass number, and also we have seen that finding of electrons, protons and neutrons along with some examples we have seen in the last class. Okay, well beta. Now in the second part of video class I am going to discuss about the atomic species. So it is also one of the important fundamental topic, Nana. Atomic species. Okay, so what are the types of atomic species are there? Along with some examples we are going to be discussed in this class beta. Okay, na? Good. So first atomic species I am going to be introduced here, and you suppose that is nothing but the isotope. So now we have to know that, sir, what is meant by isotope? And what about the physical and chemical properties of isotopes? Along with some examples we are going to be discussed now. Okay beta? Good. So isotopes are nothing but the, we have to say that species, and also we can say that atoms, and also we can say that elements. But they should contain same atomic number. Their atomic number should be same. That means, what is the symbol of atomic number? Z. Their Z value should be same, and their A value should be different. What is meant by A beta? Mass number. I have told you in the last class. So we have to say that isotopes are nothing but the atoms. They are having same atomic number, but they shows the different in. They shows the different in what, Nana? Mass numbers. Mass numbers are different. So what is the symbol of mass number? That is nothing but A, Nana. And one more thing, try to be remember that isotopes, they goes to be exhibit similar chemical properties. Their chemical properties are similar beta. And what about physical properties? So their physical properties are quite different. Right. So isotopes, they exhibits similar chemical properties and different in what, Nana? Physical properties. Why this? Okay, now shows similar chemical properties. The answer is because of their atomic numbers are same. Atomic number same means atom should be same, Nana. So their chemical properties are similar, but they shows a different in what, Nana? Physical properties. But exact definition is isotope. What is meant by tope? Tope means, in our language we can say that Parmanu number, that is called tope. Parmanu number means atomic number, and iso means equal, I mean same. So Parmanu number is the same, that is called isotope. We have to say that same in atomic number, and they shows different in what, Nana? Mass number. So the species or atoms with same atomic number and different in mass numbers, they are known as isotopes beta. Okay, good. So next one is here, I am going to show you some examples of isotopes beta. First of all, I am going to give you the hydrogen isotopes. So hydrogen is the element or atom. It was occur in nature. It was available from the nature mainly in three isotopic forms. One is protium, one more is deuterium, and one more is nothing but tritium. So how many isotopic forms are there beta? Three isotopic forms are there. So that is nothing but first example 1H1, and second example is 1H2. I mean in that first example only. This is known as D. So D indicates what? And a deuterium. And also we can write another example, that is nothing but 1H3. So we have to say that it is nothing but tritium. So for the single atom hydrogen, how many available isotopic forms? Three isotopic forms are there. 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. So these three are nothing but the hydrogen isotopic forms. This is protium, and this is deuterium, and this is tritium. So try to consider this example beta. Protium, deuterium and tritium. Okay, it is the atom of hydrogen atom. Atomic numbers are same, 1, 1, 1, but it contains three different mass numbers, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. So atoms with same atomic number and okay, now different in what mass numbers. So we have to be considered that it is an example of isotope. Next, another example I am going to show you that carbon available in two isotopic forms. So one is nothing but the C612 form. Sorry, carbon can also available in three isotopic forms. One is C612 beta, and one more is C613, and one more is C614. Means same atomic numbers are there. Again, there is a difference in mass number beta. Next, another example I am going to show you, that is nothing but oxygen. Oxygen in nature, again it can be available or occur in three forms. That is nothing but O816, and one more is O817 beta, and one more is O818. So oxygen is the atom. Atoms with same atomic number 888, but there is a difference in mass number. Again we have to say that example of what beta? Isotope. Another example I am going to show you that is nothing but about chlorine. Chlorine in nature, it was occurs only in two isotopic forms. Chlorine atomic number is 17 beta, mass number is 35. Again, chlorine atomic number is 17. Another available isotopic form contain 37 unit gram. So same atomic number, different in mass number. Again, we have to say that isotopes, Nana. Okay. And also we can consider that uranium also we can take, Nana. Uranium atomic number is 92, and we have to say that mass number is 235. यहाँ पर भी uranium atomic number is 92, mass number is nothing but we have to say that 237. Okay, sorry, 238, Nana. Okay. So यहाँ पर atomic numbers are same and their mass numbers are different. So these all are nothing but examples of what, Nana? Isotopes. Hydrogen isotopes, carbon isotopes, oxygen isotopes, chlorine isotopes, uranium isotopes. In that manner, we have to be discussed about the isotope story, Nana. And second atomic species I am going to be introduced that is nothing but the isobars. What beta? Isobars. So quite opposite definition we have to be considered for isobar to isotope, Nana. So what is mean by isobars? We have to be say that atoms with same mass number. What is the symbol of mass number beta? Yes, we know that is nothing but A. And what is the symbol of atomic number? The symbol is nothing but Z, but their atomic numbers are different. So they shows different in atomic number. Means Z value is different. What about here isotope? Atomic number is same. What about here isobar? Mass number is same. So here also we can apply in our own language, Nana. Iso means same. Bar means weight. Weight means mass. So mass number should be same, and they shows the different in atomic numbers. And what about physical and chemical properties? It is also quite opposite. Here atomic number is same, chemical properties are similar, but here atomic number is different, so chemical properties are different. Chemical properties are different, okay, but what about physical? Quite opposite, Nana. Isobars, they are having similar physical properties. Isobars, they are having similar physical properties, and they shows different in what beta? Chemical properties. Good. So I'm going to show you some examples of isobars. Let me consider argon. What is the symbol of argon? Ar. Atomic number 19. What is the symbol? Potassium. Potassium. What is the symbol of potassium beta? K. Next, atomic number 20. What is the symbol of an element? That is nothing but calcium. Atomic number is nothing but 29. So argon, potassium, calcium, three different elements are there. Their chemical properties must be different because of their atomic numbers 18, 19, 20. So atoms with, okay, what, Nana? Different atomic numbers, but these three species almost they contain same mass number value. That is nearby 40 units. Again we have to say that 40 units. Here also we have to say that 40 units. So atoms with same atomic number, atoms with a different in atomic number, but they shows similar in what, Nana? Mass numbers. Such species we have to be say that isobars. So here not only exactly 40, maybe 39.98, 39.95, like that values may be there, Nana, but nearby exactly we can consider that 40, no problem. Okay. So atoms or species with same mass number but different in atomic numbers, they are known as what, Nana? Isobars. Another example I am going to give you that one is nothing but tellurium. It is belongs to the P block element. One more is xenon. The symbol is nothing but Xe, belongs to the 0 group, Nana. Next one is barium. The symbol is Ba, belongs to the S block. So 3 belongs to 3 different natures. So they are having different chemical properties. But what about their atomic numbers? Tellurium contain 52, xenon contain 54, and barium contain 56. Their atomic numbers are different. Then what about the mass number? They should contain same because of the categories isobarbate. So almost all these 3 species, they are having same atomic weight, that is equals to 130 grams, or also we can say that 130 units, I mean unified mass. Okay, beta. Next, third category, I am going to show you that is nothing but the isotones. Isotones. Sir, what is mean by isotones? Isotones are nothing but the atoms, and also we can say that species which are having same number of neutrons. This is important for you. Number of neutrons should be same, and what about atomic and mass number? They should be different. In the categories isotones. So in the category of isotones, what about the atomic and mass numbers, beta? Atomic and mass numbers are different. Due to different in their atomic and mass numbers, okay, so they are having different physical and chemical properties. So what about the chemical and physical properties of isotones, beta? Physical and chemical properties of isotones are different because of their having different atomic and mass numbers. A value, Z value, though be different, beta, but just they are having iso, same. Tones means number of neutrons. Number of neutrons would be same, but they are having different atomic and mass number. Indirectly we have to say that their physical and chemical properties are also different, beta. Okay, I am going to show you one example. First, suppose the example 1 is sodium. What is the symbol of sodium? Na. And another example I am going to be read that the metal is nothing but magnesium. So one is sodium, one more is magnesium. So sodium atomic number is 11, mass number is 23 grams or 23 units. Magnesium is nothing but 12, its mass number is nothing but 24 units. Okay, na beta. So how to calculate the number of neutrons? In the last class already I have told you, beta, number of neutrons find out करने के लिए formula mass number minus atomic number. So mass number is 23, atomic number is 11. Mass number minus atomic number. That means we are going to be get that number of neutrons. So number of neutrons, small n is equals to A minus Z. 23 minus 11, again answer is nothing but 12. 24 minus 12, again answer is nothing but 12. Means both the species, sodium and magnesium, they contains same number of neutrons, but their atomic numbers are different, mass numbers are different, but both are having same number of neutrons. So this is the best example for what, Nana? Isotones. One more example I want to show you. First, suppose that is nothing but the one is nothing but carbon, and first suppose one more is nothing but nitrogen. Carbon atomic number 6 and nitrogen is 7, you know very well. And nitrogen atomic number is 7, but nitrogen mass number how much? 14, beta. And carbon mass number how much? 12. But carbon can available in C6-12 form, C6-13 form, C6-14 form. 3 forms are there, no beta. Now I want to write C6-13 form. No problem, beta. Yes. Now carbon and nitrogen, atomic number 6 and 7 different, mass number 13 and 14 different. So atomic number be different, mass number be different. But what about neutrons? Yes, number of neutrons equals to 14 minus 7, answer is 7. 13 minus 6, answer is 7. So we have to say that both the species, again they are having same number of neutrons, but their atomic and mass numbers are different. That means they shows different in physical and chemical properties. So these are the 3 very important atomic species, okay, na, which we are discussed in the fundamental information. And one more atomic species I want to tell, beta, that is nothing but the isoelectronic species. Yes. So what is mean by isoelectronic species? Again, meaning you can, okay, na, grasp here, Nana, in that heading is their meaning. Iso means same, Electronic means electron, species nothing but atoms or ions. So the atoms or ions which are having same number of electrons or equal number of electrons. So isoelectronic species means what, Nana? The species means atoms or ions which are having equal number of electrons. If they are having same number of electrons, we have to say that they are nothing but the isoelectronic species. Okay, I am going to show you one example now. For suppose nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic symbol is nothing but N. Nitrogen symbol is N beta, but its valency is -3. Why? Because of nitrogen is more electronegative element. It has a tendency to withdraw the electron. How many electron? By taking 3 electron, already nitrogen contains 7. By the gain of 3 electron, it contains 10. 10 means it getting stable neon configuration. Okay, beta? Good. Next atomic number is 8. So we have to say that oxygen. Oxygen required 2 electron. It contain always -2 charge. Because of oxygen contain 8 electron. By gaining again 2, it becomes stable. Next, I am going to be write that fluorine. What is the symbol of fluorine? F. Its atomic number is 9. So it contains 9 electron. But by the gain of 1 electron, because fluorine contains highest electronegativity, it can easily gain 1 electron. So by the gain of 1 electron, 9 become 10. Next, I am going to be write that neon. Maybe we can take atom or maybe we can take ion. Maybe cation, maybe anion, as you wish. Now I am going to take that sodium. You suppose sodium charge is +1. I am going to take now magnesium. Magnesium charge is +2. I am going to take now aluminum. Aluminum charge is +3. So here I have given list of examples. Neon, neutral atom. And these are the cations and these are the anions. Whatever that may be. Cations, anions, atoms. Okay. So we have to say the species. So the species which are having equal number of electrons, they are known as isoelectronic species. So this all three, okay, now all these given examples, they are having same number of electrons. How can you say? Nitrogen contains 7, but by gain of 3, 10. Oxygen contains originally 8 electrons, but by gain of 2, 10. And neon contains 9 electrons originally, by gain of 1, 10. Neon originally contains 10, okay, now, so no charge. And sodium contains 11, but here +1 is there, means we have to remove 1 electron. 11 minus 1, 10. Magnesium contains 12 beta, but from the 12 we have to remove 2. Okay, again it contains 10. Aluminum atomic number is 13. From that we are losing 3 electron. 13 minus 3 is nothing but 10. So all the list of given compounds, all the list of given species, they are having same number of electron, that is equals to the 10 electron. So all are nothing but isoelectronic species. Okay, another very important example I am going to show you. One is nothing but CO, means carbon monoxide. One more is nothing but N2, means nitrogen gas, dinitrogen. One more is nothing but we have to say that Cn minus. So not only in the individual atoms or ions beta, in the respective molecules or compounds also, we can calculate the number of electrons. How to calculate? First suppose carbon. Okay, yes, I am going to show you carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Carbon atomic number is 8, oxygen atomic number is 6. Carbon contains 6 electrons, oxygen contains 8 electrons. Total how many electrons are there beta? 14 electrons. So CO contains 14. What about N2? N2 means here 2 nitrogen atoms are there. Okay, atomic number is 7, 7. So we have to say that 7 plus 7 equal to again what, Nana? 14 electrons. What about Cn minus? Yes, I am going to show you that Cn minus. Carbon atomic number is 6. Nitrogen is nothing but 7. Cn minus 1 is there. Minus 1 means it gaining 1 electron. Again we have to say that it is also equal to 14. So CO and N2 and Cn minus, all these three species, they are having 14, 14, 14 electrons. So we have to say that CO comma N2 and Cn minus, all they are having same number of 14 electrons. So it is also an example of what, Nana? Isoelectronic species. And another 2 atomic species are there, that is nothing but one is known as isosters and one more is known as isodiaphers. Okay beta, so information about the isosters and information about the isodiasters Along with these four, already four we have studied here. Remaining two atomic species, one is isoster, one more is isodiapher. This one we are going to be discussed in our regular classes in our college. We are going to be discussed there, Nana. Okay? So इस दो के बारे में wait कीजिए बेटा, अपन अपना regular classes में discuss करेंगे. Okay, remaining all four, try to be focused. But I hope maybe isotopes and isobars you may have studied in your lower classes also. Okay, good. But listen carefully, Nana. On the basis of isotopic topic, I want to ask you one small question. Try to think about it. Yes, the question is, first suppose, by taking isotope I am going to show the question. Question is what, Nana? Chlorine. So chlorine contain how many isotopic forms? Two isotopic forms. Yes, sir. What are the two isotopic forms? Just now I have told you. One is nothing but Cl1735. One more is nothing but Cl1737. Means first chlorine isotope contain 35 units of gram, 35 units mass number. Second chlorine contain 37 units mass. Means chlorine occurs in nature in two isotopic form. One contain 35 unit mass, one more contain 37 unit mass. But these two isotopes, generally they are available from the nature. They are occurring in the nature in the ratio of 3:1 ratio. What is their available ratio, Nana? 3:1 ratio. Means Cl1735, you suppose it was available in 75%, and Cl1737, it was occurring from the nature, that is around how much, Nana? 25%. Like that we have to be considered. So question is, chlorine occurs in nature in two isotopic forms with masses 35 and 37. They are available in the ratio 3:1. Then they are going to ask you the question, find average atomic mass. Find average atomic mass of chlorine. Average atomic mass of chlorine. One isotope contains 35 gram, or second isotope contains 37 grams. But overall chlorine average atomic mass is what? So formula to calculate the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. It can be calculated by using the formula summation of relative atomic mass, summation of relative atomic mass into percent of abundance, into what, Nana? Percent of abundance. So relative atomic masses into percent of abundance. Okay na? Two isotope उनको sum करना, three isotope sum करना पड़ेगा, like that, Nana. So for this question I am going to apply this formula. Relative atomic mass, first one contain how much? 35. Multiplied with percent of abundance, how much? 3:1 ratio. 3 means how much, Nana? 75%. So we have to say that 75 by 100. Okay, summation. Okay, mix करना पड़ेगा. Go to second isotope. What is the second isotope relative mass? 37. Its percentage of abundance, how much, Nana? 25%. Means we have to take that 25 by 100. So okay, 25 threes are and 25 fours are. Here we can say that 25 ones are and 25 fours are. So what we can do, Nana? 35 into 3 is exactly 3 threes are 90, means we have to say that 105. And यहाँ पर क्या है बेटा value? Is 35 into 3 means 105 by 4. And here we have to say that 37 into 1, 37 by 4. So simply we have to say that 105 and 37. How much, Nana? 142 by 4. It is equals to, how many times goes to cancel? 4 threes are 12. So remaining is nothing but 5 times goes to cancel. 35.5 unified mass. This is your average atomic mass of chlorine. So finally, how to represent the chlorine? Chlorine symbol is 7. Atomic number is 17. Average atomic mass of chlorine, that is equals to 35.5. In that manner, we have to be calculate the average atomic mass in case of isotopes. Actually, isotope means they are having different mass number. But overall average atomic mass कैसे find out करना? Summation of relative atomic mass, summation of relative atomic mass multiplied with percentage. Atomic mass with percentage, atomic mass multiplied with percentage. In that way, we have to be calculate the average atomic mass. I hope you understand better. Okay, right. So in tomorrow's class, I am going to be okay now discuss another न्यू फंडामेंटल टॉपिक दैट इज नथिंग बट एटॉमिसिटी के बारे में कल डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके बेटा, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस टुडे क्लास ना. यस, कल का क्लास में मिलेंगे बेटा.